We're gonna be checking out this photo light box today. Now they have 9 different sizes. I have the 12 by 12 size, so you have the photo light box, and then you have these PVC color backdrops that can go in it. So let's open up this one first. All right, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty big. So this is the material. Check this out. So this is the light ring. These layers are to diffuse it. You get one layer of diffusion, and then you have like the actual lights right here. And then you have the wire that comes out of it, and then this is how you can control the light. So there's power on, and then there's plus or minus to make it go brighter or less brighter, and then there's a cycle which will switch between the different colors. Let's try to assemble this now. Okay, that was relatively easy, and there you have your box. There's Velcro along the sides, and so it kind of just peels apart, and then you can just stick it together. The edges have like ribbed, it feels like metal in it, so it is pretty rigid. So the way that the light box is, it allows you to have the light either in the back right here, or you can have it be like this, and then this is the front, and then the light shines from the top here. And then there's a little light on this guy, and we can power it on. And there is your light box. It is super bright, so we can go ahead and turn it down a little bit. If you don't want it coming from the top, you can have it backlit and then cover this up, and now it's backlit. You can also have it be from the side, and there's your box there as well. It's just all Velcro right here. So that's the way it's put together. It's not like super flimsy, but it's not like the strongest thing in the world. They have all of these different colors, and you can totally make the whole box red. That is sick. Dude, these are like really great, because if you take it off, you can see the difference in how white it is. So it does a good job reflecting all of the white, and I like it a lot. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. If you have a light box that you like to use, let me know which one you like to use, and if you want to pick up this one, I'll have it in the description below the like button.